Hello. So today I'm going to introduce you a new feature accelerated by XDP. So BPFire open source firewall has a location IP address block, meaning you can block IP address or website access based on the location or the country or the region. So, which is a very convenient feature. So what I did is to accelerate the location block with eBPF XDP. So here under this BPFire menu, and I rename it to XDP location block. So you click this XDP location block. You can see here it's a list of countries and regions. You can select which country you want which country or region or location you want to block. And yeah, so I think this is very nice IPFire feature because it's already have all the countries, regions, IP addresses available in the IPFire. So what I did simply is to block those IP addresses through the eBPF XDP instead of let filter IPNet. So ipset. Let's do a demo here. So first we need to enable, and then let's choose a country to block because I have my website hosted in Singapore. So let's do the test for Singapore. And Singapore, so this is I wanted to block website access to or from this Singapore location. Okay, that's where I hosted my website. Okay, let's click save. And then we can check from the command line to see XDP loaders. So we attached the XDP GOIP XDP program to the red 0 interface. So it means any source IP from the country or the location or the regions will be blocked, so we will not have access to those website or the source IP addresses in this region, in this country. In this example demo, Singapore will not able to access our services if we have services hosted on the BPFire. We can also check the map. So this is the eBPF map that has all the IP addresses stored. In this demo, is all the source IP addresses from Singapore. So yeah, so there are a lot of IP addresses here, and so we can now go to access this website. So this is my website, bpfire.net, and it is hosted in Singapore data center. So it has the IP address in Singapore, and let's see if we can access the website. Yeah, so it's not be able to access the website. But if we if we go to ipfire.org, which I believe is this site is hosted in Europe, and we should be able to access website in Europe. See, we can browse fine, and yeah, but here BPFire.net, we don't have access here, right? So now we can enable it, and we can, like, Singapore is blocked. Now we can uncheck it, so, and we can access the website from or to Singapore. Let's save the setting. Okay, it's not labeled here. So now we should be able to go to the website now. See here, it works, so it's not blocked, and yeah. And also, since I think ipfire.org is located in Germany, we can now try to test Germany. We can now block Germany. Let's say Germany. So this is Germany. Now let's stop IP addresses from Germany. Let's save. Okay. Now let's see. We should also have IP address populated, and we still have the XDP program attached. XDP and now let's go to IPFire, and you can see I clicked the documentation, and there is no response. Yeah. So let's go to GitHub. This is a US website, so we have no problem. I'm just going to show you the country block so this is a country block feature I developed through the XDP, and you can see here originally IPFire used like from this EC report, IPFire used the ipset. So it used ipset to populate the country's IP, and this is where the IPFire store the country IP files. For example, under here, okay, let's go to the command line. var lib location. So under this directory, there's databases for country IP addresses, and under this ipset, those are all the different countries' IP address text file. So which is cool because IPFire already have this IP addresses, country IP addresses populated here. And what I did is basically use this, use the same UI, use the same IP addresses file, but store it in XDP in eBPF map, so the XDP program can query and block the access. Yeah. So you can see here now, IPFire failed to load. The website failed to load because I blocked the IP address from Germany. Yeah. Yeah. So this is what I want to demo today. Thank you for watching.